Hello, Sujata. Let me clear the conceptions of attachment and non-attachment. Attachment always brings sorrowness in our life, and it sucks the life out of us. And non-attachment gives us the power, gives us happiness in our life. So always train yourself to let go of everything you fear to lose. So always let go. The things which you fear to lose, you need to let go of all those things, because nothing is permanent in this world. Our emotions, our thoughts, the people, everything is temporary. So don't get attached. Once you get too much attached with anything, whatever thing you get too much attached, from very that moment your sorrowness will start in your life. So at the end, and it will end with depression. So I would like to say, don't get attached. Too much attachment, too much hurt. Less attachment, less hurt. So let us get less hurt, because we all are human beings. We cannot live in this world, and we cannot say that I cannot attach with any person. I am such a person that I am not at all attached with anyone or any person in my life. This cannot happen, because we all are human beings. Even with a dog, if we keep a dog in our house, we get attached to it. But don't get so much attached that when it passes away, you fall on the bed and you get bedridden. So this is not good. So if you keep yourself away and a little bit of attachment, then you will not suffer in your life, at least. So always enjoy your life. If you have got only one life, and always utilize that life in such a way that you do not suffer. Why should I suffer? No, you should not suffer. You should always enjoy every single minute of your life. Then you will find your life is so happy that when you just about to die or anything, then you will realize that no, I have enjoyed my life. Throughout my life, I have enjoyed. So let go of everything. Train yourself to let go of everything that you fear to lose. Now let me give you one example, that what happens when you get too much attached with anything or any person. Suppose there is some person who is very close to you, and you are so much attached that every day that person tells you, खाना खाया, मील क्या, डिनर किए, लंच किए. Every day that person asks you, आज तबीयत कैसा है? You feel so blessed. You feel out of the world. I am so happy that there are some person who ask me daily whether I had my food or not. So now, one day, if that person will not ask, can you imagine what will happen to that person who feels out of the world? आज हमसे पूछा नहीं है. So many thoughts starts coming inside the mind. So many stories. क्यों नहीं पूछा? कहाँ चले गए? I am ignored. हमको इग्नोर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया अभी. What the hell of it? कैसे हमको इग्नोर कर सकता है? Now, gradually, so many thoughts are haunting in your mind, and you are full of negative thoughts are coming, and not even a single positive things you are thinking about it now, and you are spoiling the whole situation of the place where you are living. Now if a child come at that moment, you will not allow your child to talk, because your mood is off. You are not in a very good mood to talk, so you cannot talk. If any calls or important work, that will also you cannot do, because you are totally out. So unless and until you come to the conclusion what happened, हमसे आज पूछा क्यों नहीं, unless and until you come to know the reason, you are fully disturbed. So you will not even imagine कि आज कहीं busy भी हो सकते हैं, आज कहीं he must have stuck somewhere in his work or her work, whatever. So if you think in a positive way by not getting too much attached, then what will happen? You will not spread negative environment around you. there will be, and your mental condition will also not get hampered. Everything will remain normal. Now, let me tell you, too much of attachment is not love. Okay? Now, what a person will do, if that person all of a sudden falls into the river, what she will do, or he will also jump into the river. हम कितना चाहते हैं, आई एम सो मच अटैच्ड, गिर गया नदी में, हम भी कूद जाए, because I am so much attached. And the person who is not too much attached, what that person will do, he or she will try to pull that person out of the river. हम इसको निकाल ले, बचा ले, तो वो जिंदा रहेगा. So he will find different ways to pull that person out, to take out that person from the river, instead of jumping into the river. हम so attached है. So which one is better? Less attachment is better than too much attachment. Too much attachment में क्या हुआ, वो भी गिरा, ये भी गिरा, दोनों गिर गए. Less attachment में क्या हुआ, that person fell into the river and he tries to pull it out. And this is the inner meaning of attachment and non-attachment. So non-attachment is better than attachment. He will always try, in non-attachment, a person will always try to pull out. And in attachment, always negative wife, always suffering. So too much of attachment is very bad. You should always try to avoid getting too much of attachment. So at the end, I would like to say that at the end, that now you have to decide before taking any decision, हमको किस रास्ते पे जाना है, अटैचमेंट और नॉन अटैचमेंट, कौन सी रास्ते पे जाना है. दो रास्ता है, एक अटैचमेंट की तरफ जाती है, एक नॉन अटैचमेंट की तरफ जाने. नाउ नो वन विल टेक दैट डिसीजन. दैट डिसीजन तो यू विल ओनली हैव टू टेक. And when you take your decision, you will find that how blissful and happy your life can be by staying less attached. आप देखेंगे कि आपकी जिंदगी कितनी खुशहाली से बन जाती है. आपकी जिंदगी, you will be so happy that you cannot even imagine that you can remain so happy and in such a blissful way. So always try to stay less attached instead of attaching too much. Thank you.